What's up, Pip Killers? Jay here, and I wanted to give you guys a quick update. Yes, we have done it again. 23 consecutive wins, this time in an OANDA account. And there's a specific reason that I used OANDA, guys. Listen to this. One of the biggest gripes that I get from a lot of new traders is that they believe that it's not possible to make consistent gains with a small account. So I opened up a new account with about $205. And as you can see, this account now is $287. I was using a leverage of only 50 to 1. And what I want you guys to see now is something very important. So the two biggest gripes that I get, number one is that people don't think it's possible to make consistent gains in Forex. They don't think that there is a mathematical outcome that can definitely predict the way that a currency price is going to move. That's the number one. The number two gripe, or the number two barrier that a lot of traders think they have, is that they think if they have a smaller account that it won't grow the same on a percentage basis as a large account, because they think that strategies cannot be applied to the smaller accounts. And what we're going to do here is that OANDA, a really cool thing, if you look here, OANDA actually has now a performance suite. So if we go and we click on this performance suite, we see that we are now loading trading performance. And the cool thing about this is that we now have a great analytics suite built right into OANDA. And wow, guys, you have to look at these statistics, okay? 23 trades closed, 100% win rate, and an average P&L of $3.44. Now this is nearly an $80 gain off of a $200 account, guys. Think about that. We're talking about a 38% increase in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, guys. The trade journal, I have every trade, and guess what? This is a live account, guys. This is a live account. These trades did occur in a real money account with 50 to 1 leverage, 23 consecutive trades. And guess what? This is something that no other Forex trader in the world can show you. How do I know this? Because even the top funds in the world cannot return 38% in a 2-week period. They cannot do this, guys. And this is something to keep in mind. I've been challenging traders for the last 2 years to put up their results in a live account or on Telegram with live calls, because Telegram has the timestamps that cannot be altered, or else it'll say edited. But these are ways to make live calls as they occur and to track the trades with a great auditing system. I want to see if someone can actually compete and get at least 10 consecutive trades in a row. Many people have emailed me and challenged me and said, I can do that, I can get this many trades. And then lo and behold, I never hear from them again. They challenge me, they put their name out there, and they say that they can beat my trading. They say that they can beat the Fxprime algorithm. The algorithm that took me 10 years to code now. We're going on 10 years of development. And these results speak for themselves, guys. These results speak for themselves. This is something that no trader, no FX trader in the world can show you. No FX trader in the world can match this. No EA robot in the world can match this. It's something that is incredible, and I wanted to celebrate it with you guys because you guys are on the channel, you're celebrating it with me, you're on the Telegram channel, and a lot of you that are members have participated in these exact trades with me, And congratulations, guys. We are doing what literally even the finest trader talent in the world cannot accomplish. I'm very proud of it. I'm ecstatic, and I had to make this video. I had to put it out there because we have to celebrate our wins. Now, you know what? This is the second time I've actually gotten 23 trades in a row on Telegram. And each of those trades with timestamps that cannot be altered, third-party timestamps on the Telegram server, they were legit. They were made in real time in front of 3,000 traders. So this is not my first time doing this. The first time I was ecstatic, was very happy about it. And I guess the second time, now it's becoming routine. It's just something that I'm not bored with it, but I would say that it's something that I now come to expect. I now know how the trades work themselves out. I now have a proof of concept that is not done once, but twice. So it's not a fluke. It's something that's repeatable, and I can't be happier about the performance. I'm very happy with where we're at and where we're going. If you guys are seeing this and you're like, wow, I've never seen anything like this, there's a reason. There's a reason that other traders, other Forex mentors are busy showing you rented cars. They're busy showing you Louis Vuitton bags and all of these other, trappings, we'll call them, luxury trappings. It's because their trading downright sucks. They can't even pull any type of return like this. And since they can't show you returns, everybody's there using screenshots that are, reused, rehashed screenshots that everybody passes around and uses the same screenshots. This is a live account, guys. This is a live account. I'll refresh it again just so you guys can see it. You can go into OANDA and you can set up the performance suite just like this. It's going to do the same exact thing. It's going to load in the same exact way. Look at the numbers. You can see the numbers are dynamic. They load dynamically. So this is an actual account. This is one of my actual accounts, but my actual account that I set up with a small amount of money. So this way, the person who is just a beginner, who's just new to Forex trading, and they think, wow, I don't know if I can start with a few $1,000s. That's just way out of my limits. It's not out of your limits, okay? Everybody has to start somewhere. And don't get down on yourself if you have a small account, because the laws of compounding and the laws of mathematics apply to all account sizes. As your account gets bigger, you can take some risk off the table. You don't have to risk as much. But a 1 in 50 leverage is very, very small amounts of risk. If I was doing 1 in 100, which is what most Forex traders do, this account would not be a 38%. This would be a 70% increase. Plus, guys, 70+% in 2 weeks. We're talking about greater than 100% returns easily every single month. So what I want you guys to sit there and comprehend is that all of the things that you hear about in the world where people will talk crap about Forex and they'll say that it's a scam, or they'll say that it doesn't work, or they'll say that they'll give whatever excuse because they lost their money. People only lose money in Forex because they don't know how to trade, just like anything that's difficult. But the reality and the truth is that my bank and your bank right now, while you're watching this, they're trading Forex. They're doing foreign exchange transactions 24 hours a day. And even after the retail markets close, they're still doing interbank exchanges with Forex. So your bank would not do this if they didn't make money off of it. They make both transaction fees and they also speculate on the prices. So if they didn't do this, there wouldn't be a market. They make the market. We just participate in it. They actually move the market. They're doing billions of dollars, if not tens of billions, with some of the larger banks, on a regular basis throughout the day. So we have to look at this and we say, okay, this is a tool. But like any tool, if it's not used correctly, it can hurt you. Now, if you're in the market with, some type of strategy and it's not winning, you need to stop using that strategy. Email me, info@fitbusinessman.com. Invitation to use the Fxprime algorithm for trading is absolutely by invitation only. Invitation only. Email me, info@fitbusinessman.com, and I will return your email. Just give me a 1-paragraph introduction, and we'll take it from there. If you impress me with the introduction, I will invite you to use the algorithm, and you can participate in the markets. And these gains, obviously, you can see are extremely consistent. I guarantee no other trader will be able to show you these types of gains with this type of consistency, especially using such a small amount of leverage, guys. But I wanted to show you what's possible. This is possible for you. It's possible for anybody that uses a system that actually works. I hope you guys will join me on the Telegram feed, which is t.me/FXPrime. Okay, if you look at @FXPrime on Telegram, the @ FXPrime on Telegram, you can follow me. I'm going to put a link on the bottom of this video, so this way you guys can know exactly where to find me. I'm very, very impressed with my own gains with this. Not to sound pompous, but these gains weren't had easy, guys. I put a lot of time into this, 10 years now, and you know what? The Forex markets are incredibly liquid. Having anyone jump on the trades or having anyone participate in the trades does not take away from anyone else's profitability, because there's 5.5 trillion in liquidity, even more so now per day. That's the last official measure that I saw, but it's getting close to 6 trillion because there's constantly more currency being put into the markets. This is a big market, and it's there to profit. I will see you guys in the next video.